Sharks. All parents know that babies love throwing their spoons on the floor. Well, we have a solution for this. Just put a pacifier clip around the Baby Tun. And attach it to the baby's shirt. No more baby spoons getting thrown on the floor.
But wait, there's more.
What?
The Baby Tun is made right here in the USA, and it was designed and created by me. So Sharks, who's ready to take a bite out of the Baby Tun? Together, we can bring Baby Tuns to every baby in the world.
Wow.
Nice. Good job, Cassidy.
Great.
Oh my gosh.
So we have some samples we'd like to pass
Cool.
out to you, Sharks.
How old was Cassidy?
I'm 10.
She's 10.
10 going on 34.
Oh, are we gonna eat?
This one's for Lori.
That's for me?
Lori?
Yeah.
Okay.
Should I feed Lori?
We brought from Hawaii, we have poi, which is a Hawaiian baby food.
How did you come up with the design, and what did you do to figure that out?
So in first grade, I entered a local science fair when I was 7 years old. And we have actually my sample if you guys want to see it too right
We
here.
do.
Oh, wow.
It's
So
like
that's
a-
your prototype?
Yeah, this is the one that I made in first grade.
Look at this.
I mean, partially why I'm just very thankful I'm here is I want to show other kids that they can be open to opportunities they have at school or even at home to create and invent. I just really hope I inspire them. It's a dream come true.
So are you selling it already, or is it?
Yeah, we sell our products. So since September of 2018, we had $5,000 in sales.
Wow.
Thank you.
What does it cost?
Our total cost is $6.60.
And you sell it for how much?
We sell it for $15.
15?
For you.
Wow.
Cassie, are you going to be a superstar at your school because you were on Shark Tank?
Well, that's obviously not why I'm here.
Oh, even better answer.
Oh my
Better
God,
answer.
I love you.
Cassidy, it's pretty rare that somebody comes in here and offers us 50%. Why did you do that?
I mean, let's face it, I'm only 10 years old. I need a partner. I mean, I still have to go to high school.
I think you're more of a shark than we are. Cassidy, you've done an amazing, amazing job. I mean, it's incredible
Thank you.
to have started a business, to develop a product, to see it through, to make your way here. I mean, I can't even imagine what's next for you. The challenge I have is just, it's really not a fit for me. So I'm out, but great job, Cassidy.
Cassidy, I've been doing little businesses since I was a kid. I can already tell from your presence, from your poise, from your grit that you're gonna go very, very far.
I think it's awesome, like, especially for 10 years old. You know, we've helped some students through school projects. And I think the category that she's in was perfect because it was like a low startup cost, like an easy design, silicone products. And she pitched it well. 10 years old, man.
Totally, knocked out of the park. I think impressed all the Sharks, impressed me. A few things to talk about there. I mean, I want to point out, for one, it's true. You do not have to be an adult to be listed as an inventor on a patent. 10 years old, she is on the patent. I pulled it up, and I got to show it off. Of course, I'm a patent nerd.
Awesome.
This is yeah. So she was on there with her mother, but both named inventors. You can see that it's a feeding spoon. So there he is. Cassidy's on there. That's a design patent. So you know it's a design patent because it's got a D right in front of the number. This was issued a few years back. I think it's a couple of years old on the film footage there. And there's really very little in terms of what's written on the design patent. This is the whole claim. It's just the ornamental design. A design patent really covers the three-dimensional shape of it. So it can be seen as a bit more limited than a utility patent. But what's great is that it controls that, you know, in any confusingly similar three-dimensional articles of manufacture. And so it was all about the actual lines, and you can see the lines that are, you know, providing the different elements. You know, obviously it outlines an elephant here in this particular design. But yeah, kudos to her for going through and getting that design patent granted. I did also like the fact that she mentioned the manufacturing. You know, there is some updates there. What was your take on the types of silicone?
Yeah, I think that's great. The drama made me laugh. It made me chuckle also because we're explaining that all the time. Like we usually have like product samples everywhere. So this is EVA foam, but a wheel just like this for silicone that shows the different durometers. So we can talk to clients and say, well, hey, if you do it, this durometer, it's going to be softer, more flexible. So it's pretty. It was cool to see that, and I think what a great thing for a 10-year-old to go through. And I wish more schools had, entrepreneurship and product development, because we have other cool ideas,
Yeah. I mean, David is going to adopt her. She's so cute. Looked like. I wonder if she'd adopt you. Yeah. She had her act together. She's able to get a deal with Lori, and I did follow up and see how they did. We're kind of covering a lot of the things we already discussed today, but in 2021, they had so much success that they licensed their patent to a very well-known company called Munchkin.
Okay.
So they went big, and so Lori said that she was quoted. I don't know exactly how much money was involved, but Lori said the licensing deal will take care of Cassidy and your family for a long time. As of November 2021, the deal with Munchkin closed, and as of July 2024, the products are available at Target, Walmart, Amazon, and the company's valued at 7 figures. So a major win, super success story for the Shark Tank.
And a simple product.
Simple product. Yeah.